Hey guys, Koss here, Kossology. Welcome back to another episode. So as you can see by our great decoration done by the great Einstein. Oh God, he's such a child. Such a child. Really, Einstein? A phallic symbol? All right, guys, so as you can see, wow, that's quite the... I'll see you after. Yeah, as you can see, we got a watermelon, we got lemons. Ignore that. We got vodka. So yeah, look, it's summertime. It's a summery drink. I've done this before. When you have a party and you have people over, that's what a party is. You can make this drink. It's something that's easy to do and it's fun for everyone. Well, not really. It's fun to drink. But yeah, you can get a couple people involved when you make it, but it's cool. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna gut this out, juice it down, mix it, and yeah, make a cocktail. Are you ready? Why is it when you go to the supermarket, right? Or the fruit store, whatever you call it. When you're in the fruit section at the supermarket, there's always that guy who's like, people have the knock and the tap, or if the stem is dry, or if there's a yellow spot, like everyone's got their credentials for how a watermelon should look or sound. And then they take it home, they cut it open and they go, yeah, it doesn't taste good. I just reach in and grab one and that's it. All right, let's cut this baby open and see what's inside. I'm not gonna hide the fact that the bottle's been opened and you see some missing. I mean, yeah. What, we reuse alcohol, everyone does. Not reuse, I didn't drink it and put it back, but you open it, you use it, and then you use it again. We're going back to our Finlandia. I think we did an episode, no, I don't think, I know. We did an episode where we compared Finlandia to Smirnoff, I think. I think Finlandia won, I think. Anyway, guys, we'll put the link to that video right here, so you can check it out. It was a great episode. Also, by the way, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button for notifications. Leave us a comment if you want me to try something out or make some crazy. By the way, this is the first time we're doing this, by the way. In the great kitchen of the great Einstein. That was a real echo. Remember that movie, The Wizard of Oz, when he's like, don't look behind the curtain.
Pay no attention to that man behind the curtain.
And he's like, don't look behind the curtain. And then you open the curtain, it's just, that's Einstein. So yeah, we're gonna use this. All right, I got my trusty butcher knife. All right, so let me just grab this boy, cut it open. There's no easy way to do it. Wow, knife is sharp. So I did it like this. I basically did like a brain surgery kind of thing. So I just cut enough that I didn't waste too much watermelon, but enough that I can get in there. Since we don't have, this is what I can find in in Einstein's drawer. Let's see if this works. Somehow I gotta scoop this and then mix it. Wait, if you put classical music, wow. Isn't there's something, when like something runs out of, I think it's called public domain. Like, I think Mickey Mouse just came into public domain. So that means like, if you're using Mickey Mouse on something, you would have to pay rights. But now, because it's in public domain, you don't have to. Let's use Mickey. Put Mickey ears on me. Oh, I like this piece too. Oh man, this is hard work. It's a trap workout. Trap. So the watermelon I got is pitless. It's pitless watermelon, and this will enhance the drink because then you don't have like pits in your mouth and you have to spit them out. All right, so we hollowed it out, so it's got a nice hole. Yeah, this piece I want to make a little smaller because I think I want to try it when I drink it. This is amazing, bro. Anyway, guys, Finlandia vodka, please don't drink and drive, drink responsible. It doesn't got to get out of hand. So we got it hollowed out, pardon. And edit, I'm back. I mean, this is real smooth of me, right? I mean, I could have been real finesse and put it in an ice bucket and pulled it out, but it's just a big block of ice. We're all family here. So I'm just gonna, so now, give me a few seconds. I just gotta, you know, chop it, purize it. Dude, this is gonna be awesome. All right, guys, so I don't know if you can see here, but I'm trying to pull the cord. So I'm gonna puree it. Oh, that is lovely. I mean, this is, so yeah, look. Just amazing. That one relative that every time they come to the following parties, they're gonna be expecting it. Dude, this is sick. Really, we're gonna be drinking this all afternoon now. Bro, it's amazing. All right, guys, so I'm back. So while Einstein was rolling some music, we got that all in there. Ah, it smells like heaven. All right, and because you know me, I'm not one for measuring exact. Depending on the size of your watermelon is how much vodka you should put in. That's all I'm gonna put. So I put about half. Got my shirt dirty. Yeah, I need a bib. All right, so let's see what we got. Wait, I'm gonna take a little watermelon out of here so that we can see more juice. Einstein, wait a minute. I know Einstein is gonna come from my cup. So I'm ready. Wait, forgot the lemons. Can you edit this back like 30 seconds back? Add in where I said add the lemons. So squeeze the lemons in. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these two pieces and put them in the glass. I think that's gonna be delicious.
What the fuck is this piece of shit?
Alrighty. Wow, the smell is just hitting my sinuses. Sinuses? Ah, the smells are just filling. Einstein, can you smell the citrus and the watermelons and the, it's so refreshing, guys. This much. Yeah, Einstein is saying ice in the bar. I know. I mean, you can add ice. But this ice is like a brick still. All right, hold on 2 seconds, I'll be back. I'm back, ice, with my hand. Anyway, Einstein is like family, he don't care. All right, and then we're gonna top it off with a little seltzer. I think this will give it the, you know, the zesty zing. All right? If I look like I'm lost, it's because I need something to mix this. All right, I'm back with a clean spoon. So just, well, it's hard to really mix it up, but wow. Can you, yeah, you can't smell that, but it's amazing. Einstein, come grab your drink, bro. Here, so you can, oh. All right, take it. Cheers. Tell me what you think. Oh, wow. That is nice. That is nice. And then you got some chunks in here. That's why I put it in this kind of cup. It's like soup. You can eat the watermelon. Wow. The best thing to do is put this in the refrigerator an hour before your guests are coming, just to, you know, get it nice and chill. Yeah, you can serve it like this. Like this. So it's like a cover when people are not taking from it, keeps the flies away, the insects out. That's it, guys. All right, so if you like this video, let us know in the comments below. If you have something you want me to do, test, try, make, create, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Drink responsibly. Koss.